Welcome to your daily nature session. I'm so glad you're here today. Taking a moment for yourself is a powerful way to care for your mind and body. I hope this session helps you feel more calm, centered, and ready to embrace your day with ease. Let's begin. Let's start by getting comfortable. Sit down or lie back in a way that feels good to you. Let your hands rest naturally, and if you're okay with it, close your eyes. Take a moment to notice how your body feels. No need to change anything, just notice. Now take a slow, deep breath in through your nose and gently let it out through your mouth. Let's do that again. Breathe in deeply and slowly breathe out. One more time. Feel the air filling your lungs and then let it all go. As you settle in, try to let your shoulders drop and your jaw relax. If any thoughts come up, that's okay. Just let them float by, like clouds in the sky. This is your time to unwind and let the busyness of the day fade into the background. You're exactly where you need to be. Now imagine yourself standing in an open meadow. It's early in the morning, just before sunrise, and everything feels calm and quiet. The grass under your feet is soft and cool, covered with tiny drops of dew that shimmer in the faint light. Take a moment to look around. The meadow stretches out in every direction, bordered by tall trees in the distance. The sky is a deep blue, fading into soft shades of pink and orange near the horizon, where the sun is just beginning to wake up. You start to notice the gentle sounds around you, a faint rustle as the breeze moves through the tall grass, the soft chirping of a bird somewhere nearby, as if it's greeting the new day. Breathe in deeply and feel the cool, fresh morning air fill your lungs. As you stand there, a gentle breeze brushes your face. It's light and refreshing, carrying the faint scent of wildflowers from somewhere nearby. The cool air feels calming, like it's washing away any tension you might be holding on to. Now, let your attention settle on the horizon. The first rays of sunlight begin to peek over the edge of the earth, casting a golden glow over the meadow. The dew on the grass sparkles like tiny jewels, and the world seems to wake up slowly but without hurry. As you watch, you notice a small butterfly fluttering nearby. Its wings are painted with soft, earthy colors, and it moves gracefully from one flower to the next. Take a moment to focus on its gentle movements. The way it flutters, pauses, and then moves again feels so simple and natural. A few steps away, a young deer steps quietly out of the trees. Its movements are cautious but calm, and it lowers its head to nibble on the grass. For a moment, it glances in your direction, its big eyes curious but unafraid. It's a peaceful connection, as if the meadow belongs to both of you in this moment. Feel the sunlight starting to warm your skin as the golden light spreads across the meadow. The world is awake now, but it still feels quiet and calm. Take a deep breath and let yourself soak in this peaceful moment. This meadow, this sunrise, is yours to return to whenever you need it. It's always here, waiting to bring you a sense of calm and clarity. Take one more look around before we move on, and let yourself feel completely at ease. As you take in this peaceful moment, let's reflect on something simple but meaningful. Life, much like this meadow, is made up of small, quiet moments. These moments often pass unnoticed as we rush through our days. But when we slow down and pay attention, we find beauty in the little things. A kind word, a deep breath, or even the soft light of a new day. It's easy to get caught up in what's next, in what we have to do or what we didn't finish. But the truth is, the present moment is the only place we really live. It's where calmness lives, where joy can be found, and where we can truly rest. So today, if things feel overwhelming or stressful, try to pause. Take a deep breath, look around, and find one small thing to appreciate. It could be the warmth of a cup of tea, the sound of laughter, or even just the steady rhythm of your own breath. These tiny moments of awareness can add up. They can help us feel more grounded, more alive, and more connected to the world around us. You don't have to chase big things to feel at peace. Sometimes the simplest things are the most meaningful. Now let's pause for a moment of silence. Take this time to listen to the sounds around you and let yourself fully enjoy the calm of this meadow. Now, take one last deep breath in and slowly let it out. Let your shoulders relax and notice how your body feels a little calmer. Thank you for joining today's Daily Nature session. I hope it helped you feel more relaxed and gave you a peaceful moment to carry into your day. Whenever you need a little break, remember that this meadow and the calm it brings are always here for you. Take your time as you come back to your surroundings. Open your eyes when you're ready, and notice how refreshed you feel. I'm so glad you took this moment for yourself. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next session tomorrow.